Howdy folks, Transit Joe here. We're in South Florida and we got a lot of stuff to show you. Picked up a bunch of Lucy's again on Whatnot. R Cells was the seller. Does a very good job at packing everything. I recommend them, and got some pretty good deals. And we're gonna start it with a couple of cars, a couple of buses, and then it'll be a all truck show. So this is the hot bird I was waiting on. And looks fantastic with the color. I'm not too sure about the wheels on it. It's gonna be hard to paint taillights on that, but I can try. And seems like this one has a detailed front end. I don't have to paint no headlights, but it's a glittery car. I like it. This next one is a 1949 Curtis sports car, I guess it's by Matchbox. Pretty good shape. It's used, but it's in pretty good shape. I have to do a little detailing on it, but the paint itself is pretty nice, pretty shiny. I don't know if you consider it a tail dragger, but it's got the sloping back. But this next one is Ford Taurus Police Interceptor Popo car. Definitely gonna do some detail on that. Those wheels gotta be blacked out to match a cop car. And but it's got the push bumper and all that stuff. Be nice to work with it. Next up is a Matchbox 50th anniversary. It's a super fast Volkswagen bus. Door is here open. Red and white. Put it with my Matchbox lock. And the next one is the Hot Wheels surfing school bus. It's got nice paint. Not my favorite, but it's for the collection. And now we head to the trucks. And here's Matchbox Peterbilt. It's got a couple of nicks here and there. I guess something to point with. A couple of nicks. That'd be a good project truck. Must have had something in the back. Don't have it anymore. Fix that on there. I don't know. It's got a couple of nicks. I may keep it. I may not, but that's the rest of the truck. Put it this way. This next one is a safari truck. It's only good for wheels. It's a wheels donor. The rest of this ugly thing. Next up is this Hot Wheels cab over. Those wheels don't go on it, definitely. Not in bad shape. Double stacks. Next up, the next one here is metal Hot Wheels. Pretty nice. It does have a few nips here and there. And we had to put this Popo card, checking this guy out because he's it's a little suspicious. Next one is made in China by Chinese people, I think. No name. Looks like it must have had something here, but maybe a candidate for the junkyard or parts truck. Here we got another no-namer, just the fire department. Noticing fire department E and the T are gold colored. It's got nice wheels. That's the front. On this side, the F and the D are gold colored. Okay. Another no-namer, but in pretty good shape. Eco Fuel. I think it's all plastic. Yeah. There's the front. And side. And here we got a Matchbox. It looks like a Chevrolet truck. Underneath, there's the front. Could do something with those headlights. Here's the side. It rolls pretty well. It's pretty good shape. A couple of nicks here. Somebody definitely played with it. And our last one for the day is the Siku. That's pronounced Siku truck. This was played with. It's got a few nicks. So that's it for this this load. Not too big, not too bad. Hope y'all liked the video, and give me some comments, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button; it helps. And we're in South Florida, and it's in late May. The heat and the humidity are here earlier this year, and it is muggy, muggy, muggy outside with some rain forecasted for this afternoon and the rest of the week. Spotty storms, they say. But we're inside, and got to keep an eye on that dude. But in the meantime, we're in air-conditioned comfort. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. They got him over the car. Something's going on. And I see flashing lights, so help is on the way. Okay, I heard he's an alien. So they're waiting for ICE to get here and pick him up. Because, this present administration, they don't like aliens. So he's a goner.